Hello everyone, hope you all are doing great. So I'm Jawad Amir. I have been working with Rap application for last few months in different platforms. Some are native and some are also managed platforms. So today I have come here to share some of my experiences. What are the differences between the native Rap application and the managed Rap application? So last a few days ago, I have created a reg application using the Amazon Bedrock. It gave me so much flexibility and so much easy to implement and managed environments um, advantages. So today I have come here to share some of my experiences here, and also I have created a document based on my experiences. So if we go there, we can see that normal reg. If we want to implement a normal reg application, then we have to like select a document. Then after selecting the document, we have to custom chunking for the document, and after that we have to embed you have to use the embedding model for embedding it, and then we store it on a different kind of like vector db like files chroma, whatever you want. Then after that we have to custom retrieval and re-ranking after we get the retrieval portion of our part, and then we give the llm call with our retrieve data. So we have to do a lot of things with the normal reg application, but when we go for the AWS reg with using the Amazon Bedrock, then we don't need to do a lot of things. We just upload the document into the Amazon S3. Then we have to create an Amazon Bedrock knowledge base where it gives us the flexibility to parsing and chunking, embedding, and also it stores in a managed vector storage. We don't need to do anything from us, and it also gives us the retrieval and reranking based on the managed service. Then when we get the retrieval options, then we call the llm and we get our like results of our based on our documents. So here I have created a comparison. Like for the setup, building normal reg application is much complicated, but AWS gives us the most components, so we don't need to do this. Then for document storage, we have to use the local files, database, or cloud storage. But AWS gives us the Amazon S3, a very beautiful storage. We just can upload our data there. For chunking, we have to use the custom Python or framework code, but they are in AWS. We configured with the Bedrock. We don't need to do anything by ourselves. For the embedding here, also we have to use OpenAI, Hugging Face, or Cohera, etc. But Amazon Bedrock gives us the embedding model as well. For vector databases, we can see that there are Face, Chroma, there are some open source vector DB we have to use. But in Bedrock, we can AWS support vector store or Bedrock managed knowledge base. For the retrieval, we have to do this completely custom, but here in AWS, we managed retrieval with configurable options, so we don't need to do anything by ourselves. For the re-ranking, this is one of the most important thing. For the re-ranking, you integrate a re-ranker, and you have to write the re-ranker algorithm. You have to do the stuffs by fully yourself, but Bedrock manage everything by the managed service. For the LLM, we have to use any LLM call, but here in Bedrock, there are a lot of models available. You can pick any of it. And for the security as well, we have to design the authentication part by ourselves, how it will authenticate, how it will like encrypt it. We have to do everything by ourselves, but we know that AWS has very good policies there, so we can use AWS IAM, KMS, or VPS. For monitoring, we have to use the custom logs or monitoring, but there are like Galileo or any kind of monitoring third-party tools. But here you can use the CloudWatch metrics and injection logs to show the like what our traces and what are our agent doing. So for the maintenance, we have to maintain that everything, but AWS manages the much of the infrastructure. For the control, here's the part, for the naive break you have the maximum control, but in AWS, Amazon Bedrock, it is easier management but less low level control. So it is best for research and highly customized systems, the naive break, but the enterprise and production AWS systems are best for the Amazon Bedrock, because when you are trying to use the Amazon Bedrock, just within a few clicks you will be able to get fully reg application. So I have created a reg application there. I'm gonna show you how I created this. So first of all, what I did, I actually on Amazon S3 bucket, I have uploaded a file like AIML related some question, it's a document where there are some like documents based on the AI and ML related questionnaires and all of the paragraphs where there are a lot of data of AIML. So I have uploaded this. You can see that I have got an object URL. After uploaded this, I went to the Amazon Bedrock part, like here I went the Amazon Bedrock. Then on the knowledge base, from the knowledge base you can see there, from the knowledge base, there I created a knowledge base. Here you can see my knowledge base. It is active. And here the embedding models, then the knowledge base type, and the vector db, everything I used the managed AWS. I didn't do anything by myself. I just wanted to try this and see how it gives us the flexibility. Then our knowledge base has been created. It is the part of the vectorized part of the naive reg. When you have to store the data in the ChromaDB, there's the part. Basically it has vectorized and stored the vectorized data in our knowledge base quick, this portion. So it is completed. So when I have also created an abstraction, from my code bases. Like if I go there, here's my reg application. Here I have created the retrieval part. Or so first of all, we have to use the AWS. Okay, I can see that I have declared the model, the cloud model. I have given the system message, and also the import the boto 3 is a like Python SDK, which actually connects with our AWS portion. So using the boto 3, I have there use the retrieve part. Actually retrieve the I have used the retrieve agent retrieve part of portion, which actually retrieve our data and also build the context. And the most important part is generate. In the generate, we use the converse API. And the converse API, we have to pass the model ID system message and the messages. So and we also get the answers, the chunking answers, and it's our main function from where we called all the functions. So it is basically our application. So if I run it, I have already the application where it is. Sorry, not. If I run it, I can see the application there. So yeah, so I can give ask any questions. Here it will give me the 5 chunks which are most relevant. Like I have asked what are the main categories of machine learning algorithm. So in my documents, the answer lies there. So it gave me the answer and the most relevant chunks. I can also, and these are all are coming from the AWS part, which from our knowledge base, this one where we uploaded all of our data. So from there we can also change chunk. I want to get the only one chunk there. It gave me the just the simple chunks, the one chunks, and the answer. So if I ask anything which is not in my document, like it shouldn't give me the answer. Yeah, the knowledge base does not cover information about the president of the US. So it is a reg application, and for creating this reg application, I had to just click some of the pages, not the whole infrastructure I needed to build. So this is the most important and the fun part that if you wanna create and so fast managed and secured reg application, you can go for the Amazon Bedrock. Yeah, thank you everyone.